Hello guys, this is Azhar Ahmed and welcome to my new video. And in this video I'm going to tell you something new about the Gemini. And the Gemini has introduced the IDX for the development, and this is something like you can do the development here. So you can see here it is showing us the experience, how it is look like. Okay, and it is promoting the AI. So here, welcome to Project IDX is an AI assisted workplace for full stack multi-platform app development in the cloud with support for a broad range of framework languages and services alongside integration with your favorite Google products. IDX streamline your development workflow so you can build and ship apps across platform with speed, ease and quality. So let's get started. It's taking a couple of time to load. Let's wait for it. And here you can see the screen for IDX. So this is the beta version, yes, and see how it is showing. So you can start something new template. So we have the Angular, Next.js, Flutter, Gemini, API, Astro, Go, Python Flask, Node Express. So these are the apps you can use. So let's dive into the home page. See the different templates: Angular, Next.js, Astro, Simple HTML, React. Okay, so you have the web templates also: Vue.js, Solid.js, Quick, Next, and React with Google. So these are the web apps. You can see the backend apps also. The Go we have Python Flask, Node Express, Rust, Laravel, Python, Django. So you have the mobile Flutter, and for AI/ML you can use the Gemini API, LangChain with Gemini, Firebase, Genkit, and in the miscellaneous we have the blank workplace. So this is how it's going to give you the templates. Let's get started with the backend. I'm taking the Python Flask and let's see, give the name my, okay, and pip and web server. Let's create. It will take some time to load the workspace. So you can see it's setting up. Then it will initialize environment, then building environment, and then finalize it. So let's see how it is look like. So here you go. You can see this dashboard came, okay, in the idx.google.com. Okay, this is my file name, and you can see the files here. So it is look like the Visual Studio Code. Now you can see it is showing the example for let's load the hello world. So it is reflecting in the same window. So we don't need to go separately with the web. It is showing in the same page itself. Okay. So now here the main py file. Here you can write the code, and in the actual meantime you can see the result here in the right hand side. Okay, so this is something cool which is like having many things available here. You can see lots of options available, and really it is very similar with the VS Code. You can see here the Explorer, you can search it, you have the repository GitHub available, you can run debug, you have the extensions, you can do the testings, and finally the project IDX. So now if I want to use the Gemini function here, so you can select the simply Gemini from here, and you can do the continue, and you can start working with it like Okay, let's see. I want to do the sum of 100 plus 500 multiplied by 600 and minus 15. So let's see. So here it is thinking, and now it is showing the calculation. So first it's do the multiplication, addition, subtraction, and here is the answer. So this is how it's look like. If I want to write any loop, so let's see. I want to run the word hello guys 10 times. Now, so you can see that you have the Gemini result, which is what programming language would you like to us. For example, here is how you could do in Python. So it is giving the for I in range 10 and print hello guys. Okay. So here you can use auto. So here you can see the function. When I click it, it will come here insert itself. Okay. So you don't need to copy it, but there also you have the copy option. But you can directly use this, so it will come directly into your working directory. So this IDX Google is so classy, and this Gemini AI is superb in it. This will help you to make the codes. If you have any problem, you can check, and ideally it is like when you're done with the coding, you can share with your friends meantime, so that they can also be able to use your code. They can see, they can check, they can run, they can test, they can do many things with this. Okay, so this is the cool thing. I must say that you can try. Okay, every function is here. If you are familiar with VS Code, so it is so similar with that which I'm showing you. So this is how you are going to work and play with it. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get the latest video updates, and thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.